Okay, hello and welcome to database management system class. Um, we are going to look at SQL joins today, so let's jump into my workbench straight away. All right, it's taking some time to upload, um, so we're gonna wait for it. All right, so finally my workbench is open, and we are going to dive into one of these connections. These are connections that will lead me to my server, and then any of the connection would do. So let me use this mdb 300 connection. All right, so it wouldn't require a password because I've already check save password to vault. So that is just going to take me straight to the workbench. This is the workbench. You should be familiar with the interface by now. I'm going to open a new script here, and then we are going to create a table for student database. So let's say create table. Yeah, create table student. So we're going to call our table students. Let's open a bracket, and then we begin to add our columns or the fields of the table. So the first one will be what student ID. So we'll simple say student ID. Then we have to bring the data type. So I normally like to use character because it is a fixed length data. Yeah. So let's say 10 because I know your student IDs are 10 in size. Then you put a comma and go to the next line. Then we can say first name. So first name underscore. With the first name, we are going to use the variable character data type because your names are variable sizes. So let's say 30 because I'm supposing that none of your names is longer than 30. Then the last name, all right, last name here. Okay, oops. Last name. So that is also going to be varchar like the first name. And the size I'm going to say 40 again, a 30. All right, let's add the date of birth. So you can see it's really easy to create tables in my SQL workbench. So the date of birth, the data type is date. Let's put a comma. Let's add gender. So gender, we are going to enumerate gender. So I will say enum. So enum will just let you provide the options. Okay. So the first one we have there will be what females, ladies first. So I'm going to bring the females. Okay. All right. Then we will have what the males here. Okay. So the last column, or perhaps we can still add the phone number. You can use a number of data types here. You can use numeric, or you can use even character for phone number. Yeah, you can use even character because phone number is not going to be computed in any arithmetic way. So numeric will be okay. Then address you can use text, but I normally like to use variable character. So you can also say text as well, and that is fine. All right, so I'm leaving the comma out in the phone number field, and then this field as well. Let me add my comma. Then we're going to close our first bracket we open. So you should always remember to close them. So now our code is ready, and then if we execute this code, it's going to run for us. Okay, so that is how to create a table. Very, very simple.